వెల్కమ్ టు శిక్ష మ్యాథ్స్ అకాడమీ. నా ఛానల్ని ఫస్ట్ టైం విజిట్ లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. ఓకే, టుడే విల్ డిస్కస్ మ్యాథ్స్ 1B differentiation. Okay, so this is a very important in 1B. Okay, you have to more concentrate on this differentiation. See here, first one differentiation చేయాలంటే ఫార్ములాస్ చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. అంటే ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రీ ఎలా అయితే నేర్చుకుంటామో డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ కూడా అలాగే ఉండాలన్నమాట. అంటే నోటెడ్ అవ్వాలి ఫార్ములాస్ అని. జనరల్గా మనం ఎక్కువ యూజ్ చేసే ఫార్ములాస్ ఇక్కడ రాశాను. సో more concentrate on these formulas. See the first formula, d by dx of x power n is equal to n into x power n minus 1. Suppose d by dx of x to the power of 99 ఇచ్చాడు అనుకోండి. Using the first formula, n into, here n is equal to 99. So 99 into x to the power of 99 minus 1. That is equal to 99 into x to the power of 98. You get the answer. Okay, next see here, d by dx of e power x is equal to e power x. Next, d by dx of e to the power of 2x is equal to 2 into e to the power of 2x. How will we get this one? See here, d by dx of e to the power of tx. So d by dx of e to the power of x means e to the power of x. Okay, this one write as it is. And d by dx of, using chain rule, again you have to differentiate with respect to x. So 2x ని మళ్ళీ మనం డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, 2x ని డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ చేస్తే చూడండి, మనకి 2 కాన్స్టెంట్ d by dx of x. So 2 into e to the power of 2x, dx by dx value is 1. So 2 into e to the power of 2x. 2 into e to the power of 2x. Next, d by dx of sin x is equal to cos x. d by dx of cos x is equal to minus sin x. d by dx of root x is equal to 1 by 2 root x. d by dx of log x is equal to 1 by x. d by dx of k means constant. Suppose d by dx of 100 ఉంది అనుకోండి, దీని వాల్యూ ఏమవుతుంది, మీకు 0 అవుతుంది. సో సపోజ్ d by dx of 2, this value also 0. ఓకే, హౌ టు మోర్ కాన్సన్ట్రేట్, ఎక్కువ ఫార్ములాస్ ఏం అవసరం. సో ఈ ఫార్ములాస్ కాన్సన్ట్రేట్ చేయండి. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ విల్ సీ ద ప్రాబ్లమ్స్. See the first question was x power y is equal to e to the power of x minus y is equal to e to the power of x minus y. Then show that dy by dx is equal to log x by 1 plus log x whole square. Now we have to prove this. Okay, see here, first x power y is equal, what is the given value? x power y is equal to e to the power of x minus y. ఎప్పుడైనా గుర్తుంచుకోండి, పవర్స్ ఇచ్చాడు అంటే మనకి డిఫరెన్షియేషన్లో యూ హ్యావ్ టు అప్లైయింగ్ లాగ్ ఆన్ బోత్ సైడ్స్. ఓకే, రిమెంబర్ దిస్, అప్లైయింగ్ లాగ్ ఆన్ both sides. Applying log on both sides. So log of x power y is equal to log of e to the power of x minus y. So here log is there, so power will become base and base will become power. Okay, so this can be written as y log x is equal to x minus y into log e. Okay, పవర్ ఉంది దాని బేస్ రాస్తున్నాం. y log x is equal to x minus y into log e. So y log x is equal to x minus y. So log e value is 1. Log e value is 1. So y log x is equal to x minus y. Again minus y, send this side. Send this side, y log x plus y is equal to x. Again from this both y is taken as common. So 1 plus log x is equal to x. So imagine x value, x is equal to y is equal to x by 1 plus log x. Okay, next one more formula is there, d by dx of u by v is equal to v du minus u dv by v square. Okay, d by dx of u by v is equal to v du minus u dv by v square. Consider this is u and this is v. According to that formula, d by dx of u by v, in u place you have to substitute x and v place you have to substitute 1 plus log x. Okay, see here, So according to this formula, d by dx of u by v is equal to, in this u place I am substituting 1 plus log x, in u place I am substituting x. Okay, see here, first v square rastanu, 1 plus log x whole square, and what you have to take for first v value is 1 plus log x d by dx of, here differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Okay, so dy by dx is equal to, y అంటే differentiate with respect to x చేస్తే మనకి dy by dx వస్తుంది, x minus d by dx of u, x minus x is constant, d by dx of 1 plus log x. Okay, that is equal to 1 plus log x, write as it is. Here dx by dx value is 1, x into, here differentiation of derivative of 1 constant ఇందాక డిస్కస్ చేసాం కదా, సో దాని వాల్యూ వచ్చేసి మనకి 0 అవుతుంది. నెక్స్ట్ డెరివేటివ్ ఆఫ్ log x, డెరివేటివ్ ఆఫ్ log x is equal to 1 by x. So 1 plus log x whole square, that is equal to 1 plus log x, here x gets cancelled, you'll get minus 1, so 1 plus log x whole square, again plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled, log x by 1 plus log x whole square. This is the RHS. Then show that dy by dx is equal to log x by 1 plus log x whole square. Okay, SAQs very important for 4 marks. So you have to more concentrate on this. Next is the next question. Next the next question. Y is equal to x power y, then show that dy by dx is equal to y square by x into 1 minus log y is equal to y square by x into 1 minus y log x. So this is also very important. Y is equal to x power y, and ఇందాక మనకు పవర్స్ వచ్చినప్పుడు లాగ్ అప్లై చేయమన్నాం కదా, సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో సేమ్ మెథడ్. ఓకే, హియర్ ఆల్సో అప్లైయింగ్ లాగ్ ఆన్ బోత్ సైడ్స్, అప్లైయింగ్ log on both sides. So log y is equal to log of x power y. So log y is equal to, so this can written as y log x. Can I write? Last coach kada. So here differentiate with respect to x on both sides. So log y. చూడండి ఇక్కడ log y చేసి మనం differentiate with respect to x అంటున్నాం కాబట్టి మనకి log y అంటే d by dx of log y is equal to d by dx of y log x. Okay, d by dx of log y అంటే 1 by y into, again chain rule, dy by dx. Log x value is 1 by x, but here log y is there, so you have to again differentiation 1 by y into dy by dx. Okay, see here, this is uv formula. What is the formula of uv mod? So d by dx of uv is equal to udv plus vdu. Okay, udv plus vdu. So first term you have to consider u, and second term you have to consider v. According to that, u by d by dx of v means log x plus again log x into d by dx of y. Okay, so 1 by y into dy by dx is equal to y into derivative of log x, 1 by x kada formula, 1 by x plus log x into, this is right as it is, dy by dx. Okay, okay, see here, in LHS dy by dx term is there, in RHS also dy by dx term is there. So in this log x into dy by dx, send this side. Okay, send this side 1 by y into dy by dx. Here plus log x into dy by dx, send this side minus log x into dy by dx is equal to y by x, is equal to y by x, right as it is. Okay, from this both dy by dx is taken as common, dy by dx is taken as common, log x is equal to y by x. take LCM in this bracket. So here LCM is y. So 1 minus y log x is equal to y by x. So dy by dx is equal to, this total value send that side, y by x into y by 1 minus y log x. So y into y, that is equal to y square by x into 1 minus y log x. Okay, this is the second proof. See the first proof x into 1 minus log y. See here, log y is equal to y log x. In this y log x place మనం ఏం రాసుకోవచ్చు, log y రాసుకోవచ్చు కదా. So in this y log x place I am writing x into 1 minus log y. That's it. Two proofs are proved. So dy by dx is equal to y square by x into 1 minus log y, and second proof is y square by x into 1 minus y log x. So these are also very important sums. Both are, you have to more concentrate on this. Next video we will discuss other sums. Okay, if you like the video, like, share it, subscribe.